Alright, average weight of 9 people was 78 kg. Find the average weight if the 10th guy weighing 98 kg joins the group. Now questions like these can be easily solved using the formula. Okay, sum of weights will be average into number of people, that is 78 into 9, 702. After the new guy joins, total weight of 10 people. Now there will be 10 people, 9 people originally, and then one new guy joins. So total weight of 10 people will be total weight of 9 people plus the weight of new guy. Simple. This is 702 plus 98, 800. Now new average, using this formula, we can write as 800 upon 10, 80 kg. Now let's look at a different method, weight distribution method, which requires a little imagination and zero pen and paper. Weight of 9 people, average weight of 9 people is 78 kg. Let's say all 9 of them have their weight as 78 kg. Each person is of 78 kg only. Let's assume this. Average will be 78 added 9 times upon 9, that is 78 only. Now if the new guy joining the group is also of 78 kg, then the average won't change. That will be 10 guys of 78 kg each. Total is 780 upon number of people, that is 10. 780 upon 10, average is 78 only. So if all the quantities in a group are of same value, then average will be that value only. Listen again. This is important. If all the quantities in a group are of same value, average will be that value only. It will also apply when the person is leaving the group. Now, let's say out of 9 guys weighing 78 kgs each, if 1 or 2 or let's say 5 guys leave the group, new average will still be 78 only. But in our question, the new boy weighs 98 kgs. Now, important point to note here is that 98 is more than the old average of 78. So, the new average is going to be more than 78. If the new guy had weighed 60 kg, 60 kg is less than the old average of 78. So, it will pull the new average down. Okay. If the new value is more than the average, it will pull the average up. If the new value is less than the average, it will pull the average down. It will lower down the average. Okay. Now here 98 is 78 plus 20. If the new guy was of 78 kgs, overall average will remain 78 only. But he has 20 kgs extra. If we distribute this surplus 20 kg evenly between all the boys, then once again we can get same weight for each guy. Right? And the new average will be that same weight only. Let's assume that the new guy is also of 78 kg and let's put this surplus 20 kg separate for distribution. After new boy has joined, there are total 10 members and this surplus 20 kg is distributed between 10 members. Each will get 20 upon 10, that is 2 kgs. Each will get 2 kgs including the new boy himself. So this will be the new scenario where every member will be of 80 kg, bringing the new average to 80 only. So in weight distribution method, we assume each individual weight to be same as the average. And then we add the surplus weight or subtract the deficit weight evenly from all individual weights, trying to get a same value across, which will be the new average. That same value will be the new average. Of course, all the questions could be answered using the formula as well that we saw earlier. Okay. Okay, now similar question, different language. In a class, the average weight of students is 60 kg. Student weighing 68 kg joins the class. Average weight increases by 1 kg. So the new average now is 61 kg. Earlier it was 60. Now it is 61 after the new guy joins in. How many students were there? So we don't know the number of students. But as average is 60, we assume each student to be of 60 kg. The new student is of 68 kg. After making his weight 60 kg, we have surplus of 8 kgs which we are going to distribute evenly such that each student in the class weighs 61 kg, which is the new average. So we have to give 1 kg each, 1 kg to each student including the new joinee. So out of 8 kgs, 8 surplus kg that we have, we can distribute 1 kg each to 8 students. Right? We can distribute 1 kg each to 8 students in total. So this will be our new class with total 8 students. And we have been asked number of students present initially. That will be 7 students. Now, what if people leave the group instead of joining? Look at this question. Average age of members is 40 years. So we assume each member to be of 40 years. Youngest member 12 years and oldest member 78 years old are excluded. So the average drops by 2 years. Okay, when youngest member and oldest member are excluded, the average drops by 2 years. So the new average becomes 38. New age is 38 years each. Okay, these two members are excluded. We assume their initial age to be 40 and 40 only. If their actual age was 40 and 40, their leaving the group wouldn't have changed the average. Right? All the values were of 40. Two values 40 and 40 were removed. The average would have remained 40 only. Now assumed age sum is 80 years. Okay? Let's say these 80 years have left the family in form of 2 people without changing the average of 40. Now actual age sum is 78 plus 12, that is 90 years. So instead of 80, 90 years are actually leaving the group. Okay, 90 years are leaving the family and 10 extra years are leaving. Okay, if 80 years had left, the average would have remained same, but 90 years are leaving, 10 extra years are leaving. And this deficit of 10 years which is leaving the group is changing the average, bringing individual age of each member down by 2 years. Earlier it was 40, now it is 38. So with 10 years in hand, we can bring down the individual age of all members by 2 years for 5 members only. 10 upon 2 is 5. So we can take 2 years from 5 members to make 10 years which will leave the group. Okay, those 10 years that are supposed to leave the family. That means there are total 5 members left in the family. And include the grandfather and the grandson, in total we have 7 members. Next, we have 4 one-liner questions which I want you to answer. Just pause the video and go through them one by one. Average age of a ladies group of 5 members is 32 years. Okay, this info is common to all 4 questions. Find the average age of same group of 5 members after 3 years. Well, if we assume present age of each lady as 32 years, after 3 years, each one will be of 35 years. So the new average will now be 35 only. This should be direct. If average present age of a group is 20 years, average age of the same group 5 years back will be 15 years. Okay. Next question. Find the average if a 30-year-old lady leaves the group. Okay. Age of lady leaving the group is less than the group's average. So this will take the average upwards. Okay. If a smaller than average quantity is leaving the group, the average will go upwards. Okay. It will increase the average. If the age of lady leaving the group was higher than the group's average, it would have lowered the average. Okay. Similarly, in case of joining, this we have discussed earlier, a value smaller than the average lowers the average and value higher than the average adds to the average in case of joining. Now let's say this first lady leaves. We assumed her age to be 32, which is 30 plus 2. If this 32-year-old lady had left, there will be no change in the average. But in reality, a 30-year-old lady is leaving. So instead of 32, we will remove 30 years from the group. Okay, and remaining 2 years, we will distribute evenly among all the remaining 4 ladies. You got this? So new average will be old average 32 plus 2 upon 4. 2 upon 4 is to be distributed, 2 upon 4 is to distribute 2 years among 4 ladies. Okay, we are distributing 2 years evenly among 4 ladies. So new average is 32.5 years. Next question, just read it once. Now a 30-year-old lady is joining. If this new lady was also 32-year-old, then on her joining, the average wouldn't have changed. Okay, average would have remained 32 only. But this new lady is 32 minus 2 years old. So 32 years will be added to the group without changing the average, and this deficit of 2 years I am going to subtract evenly from all the ladies of the new group of 6 members now. The new group is of 6 members now. So new average will be 32 minus 2 upon 6, that is 31.66 years. Next question. Okay, now a 40-year-old is replaced by a 30-year-old. Okay, number of members are still the same, only a 40-year-old is replaced by a 30-year-old. So a deficit of 10 years is happening here, but the total members remain same. So this question could be rephrased as a group of 5 ladies with average age of 32 years lost 10 years in total. Find the new average. Well, they cannot lose years and get younger, but this is just a concept. Okay. New average will be 32 minus 10 upon 5, that is 30 years. 10 years evenly subtracted from all 5 ladies. I hope this is clear. And I also hope that this weight distribution or age distribution method made things a lot more easier for you. No pen and paper, just a little imagination. Thanks for watching. Hey wait, watch the second part of this video at gofodu.com. There you will find more such engaging videos. We also put daily free sectional quizzes on our website. And lastly, I want you to know that I have been an average student all my life and still managed to score a 98 in CAT. I know where you will fumble and where you might get confused, because I have been there. So help me help you by subscribing to this channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, where we post new concepts daily. Links are in the description. Thank you.